Hi guys, you're welcome once again to Weight Loss with Cicelade. Today I'm going to be sharing a totally different recipe with you guys. So this juice is actually an immune boosting juice. Well, you should know that the immune system is actually what fights your body against diseases and infections. So the stronger your immune system is, the tougher it is to fight infections, and this is actually going to keep you away from going to the hospital or using drugs unnecessarily. So yes, this juice is a very good one. So let's get to the kitchen, guys. First on the list is our apples. Apple skin contains quercetin, which is a type of plant pigment that helps boost your immune system and reduce inflammation. Red apple on its own contains more antioxidants compared to green apples, which is why we chose the red apple over the green apple for this recipe. So we are going to have to cut our apple into bits just to help our blender do a good job. So like I will always say, if you have a juicer, you don't need to go through all the stress. Just juice your juice and you're good to go. Our second ingredient is going to be our carrot. So yes, I got this carrot about a day before I made this video, and so I just had to preserve it, and that is just a way I preserve my carrot. You can also copy my style if you always buy carrot and it ends up spoiling. So let's talk about carrots, guys. So the vitamin C in carrots helps your body to build antibodies that defend your immune system. Vitamin C also helps your body take in iron and prevent infections. Carrot juice may help improve eye health, strengthen the skin, protect it from sun, and give the skin a healthy glow. Like, who doesn't just want to glow? You can't even get a glow cream that doesn't even have carrots in it. So why not just consume your carrots intentionally? Like, guys, consume your carrots. Carrots are good. So yes, we're just going to cut those babies up like we always do. Third on the list is beetroot. There is no immune boosting juice without beetroot. I'm here to say that. So, beetroot is actually rich in iron and vitamin C. Beetroot can help to create healthy red blood cells in the body and battle against infections. It helps promote gut health by improving good bacteria in a good quantity. Beetroot is also rich in vitamin C, and these properties contribute to a healthy immune system. If you notice how I've been talking about vitamin C, almost all the ingredients for this particular juice has vitamin C in them, and that's because of how important vitamin C is to the immune system. So let's continue. Now that we are done with our solid ingredients, we are just going to get those babies up and just put them in a blender. You can add enough water to it, or you can just add little water. Just depends on how strong or how concentrated you want it to be. So we're just going to do that and give it a very good and smooth blend. The next thing to do is to get your cheesecloth or get your sieve, and you just need to get out your juice, okay? So like I will always do, I'm going to squeeze the life out of the juice and get my juice out. So after getting the juice out, you are going to need an orange. So orange is packed full of immune boosting vitamin C. Vitamin C helps to prevent cell damage. It encourages the production of collagen and lowers the level of cortisol as well as blood pressure. So yes, these fruits are very, very important. Even this orange is one of the most important one of the most important ingredients for this recipe. So you shouldn't even skip it at all. Last and not least on the list is our lemon. Lemons are packed with nutrients including vitamin C, B complex vitamins, calcium, iron, magnesium, potassium, and fiber. The vitamin C in lemons can help alleviate stress, just as I mentioned, that it reduces the cortisol production and also helps fight viral infection and sore throat. So yes, you see that all the ingredients used in this juice are very, very powerful juice. So there is no way you are going to take this juice regularly and still be a regular customer at the hospital. No, please, you can't. So thank you guys for staying tuned to this channel. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video to your loved ones. This might be useful to another person. Thank you so much. See you guys. Bye.